I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Kelly point two just to hurt you. All